Look at this madhouse. Look at all the people trying to get on this river. Oh my goodness. Okay, enough of that. Let's see some wildlife. Oh my goodness, there's a baby. Look at the baby. The burn ban has been lifted. And look at this stalk of firewood sitting here next to our campsite. Hey, we were too lazy to have a campfire last night. All right, we're entering the Twilight Zone. We're going to hike the wilderness area beyond this point. Experienced hikers only. Are you experienced? I'm experienced. Unmarked trails.
I have a lot of experience in everything.
GPS, compass, phone, survival supplies are recommended. Well, I have a phone and I have a camera.
I have
And
a
since-
stick.
Oh, right, a stick. That's good. I have a hat. But really, we're not going there. We're just taking the little river trail. Come on. Let's go where we're really going. We're really going down the little 1 mile trail because I didn't even bring water because this camera weighs a lot. Water weighs a lot. Yeah, I don't know. I could have put it in my backpack, but it's just 1 mile. That's all we're going is 1 mile. But I won't tell you that we went and we said, we're on the right trail, and we went back and then.
We're just sweating the springs this weekend.
Here you go. Here's where we're going.
And look,
Oh, look.
Blue.
Take me to the river.
Blue is our color.
Okay, blue. Blue, yeah, because you know what? My dog's name is Blue. So we're on the blue trail. Here we go.
I wear blue as much as I can for the children, but now it's
For the
also
children.
for blue.
For Blue. And her paddleboard is blue, but she might not keep that paddleboard, but maybe her next paddleboard will be blue. Anyway, look at how shady it is back here.
Lovely.
Throwing some shade there,
There's
Dee.
still tire marks.
Dee, you're throwing shade. All right, enough of that.
Oh, give me a breeze, Father. Oh, thank you.
The sounds of the wildlife and some sounds of humans. There are a lot of primates on the Silver River. Some of you may have heard the monkeys, but there's also many humans. So maybe we'll see a monkey, but for sure we'll see a human. Oh look, there's some now. Oh look, there's some more.
Overpriced rentals, if you ask me.
Hear that? Overpriced rentals. That's what the humans have to say about it. Okay, now we're in the prehistoric forest. I hope we don't see any dinosaurs or a pterodactyl. I've always been afraid of pterodactyls because they attack from the sky. Look at the beautiful river. Oh my goodness. We could live here. We could make camp here. Look at the beautiful river. Unless the pterodactyls drink from the river, then we could be in trouble. But I think we're safe. Oh, I hear a pterodactyl now. I think it's a Cessna. All right, back in the prehistoric forest. Oh, we're a little afraid that we might run into Tarzan. Because, oh my goodness, look at those cypress knees. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can't feel it, but there's a nice little breeze right here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Isn't that
What
pretty?
a nice breeze these trees are giving us right now.
I need to turn off the camera and take a picture. Oh no, here comes a boat. All right, back to where I started. There goes the boat. I think that's Tarzan and Jane in their boat. So I think we're safe. They didn't throw a spear at us. Let's see. Now here is how I know that Tarzan lives here. Because I know that Tarzan goes flying around in the jungle on vines. And look at this vine. I think this vine could handle like a 175 pound, 200 pound man. I think. Uh-oh, where's the trail? Oh my goodness. Have we run out of trail? I don't know. I think we've reached the end of our trail. Time to go back. Oh look, there's Dee. Okay, don't trip over any of these cypress knees. Don't bump your knee on the knee. Huh?
The centipede.
Oh,
It's yellow.
a yellow centipede. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Where is he? I can't even see him. He's right there. Oh, there he is. Oh, there's another one. There's two of them. All right. Ooh. Protein source. Oh, we got plenty of palm hearts. When I was a kid in Panama, we used to eat the palm hearts. They're okay. I like them. They're okay. We had a different type of palm though. And you could, I don't know if you can pull the palm heart out of these palms without actually killing the plant. The ones in Panama you can. You could just pull this right here. You could pull that up, and it was real easy to pull out. And at the bottom, there was this white piece that you could eat. Oh look, Tarzan cleared the way for me. Thank you, Tarzan. All right. Oh, another centipede.
Everybody's stepping on the.
Look at, oh my goodness, look at all the centipedes. It's a centipede party.
I see you.
Oh, I hope I haven't stepped on any.
I see you.
All right. Oh, look, there's the bench for the little old lady that I didn't even sit on.
It's a nice bench.
Look at this bench. I'm going to sit on it. Here we go. Plop.